In this video, I'll show you how to make garlic aioli sauce made with fresh roasted garlic. Similar to garlic aioli sauce bottles you may find in your supermarket, but this will be much better with more flavor and fresh. Here are the ingredients I'll be using to make the garlic aioli. So first, we're going to preheat the oven to 425 to roast the garlic heads. To start, I'll be using 3 small garlic heads. If your garlic heads are larger, you can use 2. And I'll be cutting off the tips where the roots are, making sure each garlic clove is exposed. Then place them in a foil. I'm going to add parchment paper in as well. And then drizzle some olive oil over and salt and pepper. And then we're going to wrap this up and place in a baking pan in the oven between 35 to 45 minutes. When the roasted garlic are done, you can unwrap the foil and let that cool off for a few minutes. In the meantime, in your food processor or blender, add a half cup of mayonnaise. Then squeeze out about a half of a lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. Add a dash of salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of Cayenne Pepper. And optionally, you can also add a dash of Worcestershire sauce. And then we can start adding the roasted garlic cloves in. And now it's ready to blend. And there you go, garlic aioli with a smooth consistency. You can use garlic aioli in replacement for mayonnaise, giving you a creamy garlicky flavor. Use it on sandwiches, fries, fish, chicken, vegetables, bread, fried food, and the list goes on. When I made this garlic aioli, I used it to make these breakfast sandwiches, which are Halle Berry's favorite breakfast sandwich in LA. I'll link that video below if you'd like to check it out. Enjoy the garlic aioli, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.